In this video, I'm going to show you a simple 3-ingredient dark chocolate recipe. The 3 ingredients are cacao powder and cacao butter, honey, raw honey. The cacao butter, that is like the fat. Check out my video on cacao butter. That's the fat that's extracted from the cacao seeds. The health benefits of this are that it's high in stearic and palmitic acid. The only bad thing about it is that it doesn't have a great omega-3 to omega-6 ratio, but besides that, it's going to be pretty healthy. So you have to balance out your diet. If you're going to be consuming this regularly, then you have to balance out your diet and consume a lot of omega-3 rich foods in your diet to balance out. If you consume too much omega-6, then that can lead to systemic inflammation and obesity. So you don't want to consume too much omega-6. Then with the cacao powder, it contains theobromine and a small amount of caffeine. And then the final ingredient is the honey. So that's the other ingredient, raw honey. Try to get raw honey. So even like Manuka honey, Irish heather honey, or just plain raw honey. It's going to be high in antioxidants. If you're following a low carb diet, by the way, then this meal isn't going to be great, this snack, because cacao powder, that's high in carbs, and so is honey. Cacao butter then is high in fat, so this is going to be very low protein snack. It's not going to have much protein at all. It's going to be a high in fat from the cacao butter, as I said, and then high in carbs from the honey and the cacao powder. The honey is going to be high in sugar, but it's a better alternative compared to supermarket honey. And also make sure you get all products that are raw and organic. This is just to consume from time to time if you have a sugar craving. Eventually you want to stop eating this, and eventually you don't want to be consuming this at all. I very rarely consume this, by the way. I only have it from time to time because I don't really get chocolate cravings like I used to. So, but if you do have chocolate cravings, then this is definitely a healthier alternative to consuming regular dark chocolate. Cacao powder and especially the cacao butter don't really taste that good, so the honey's going to make it taste better. So without further ado, let's jump into the video and I'll show you how to make this. Tastes good. Let's try again. The more honey you put in, the nicer of a taste it's going to be. Hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.